90% of people who want to invest never actually start, not because they don't have the money, but because they don't know the first step. So they wait. And waiting is the most expensive financial mistake you can make. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to invest your first $1,000, step by step, no jargon, no confusing charts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do, and you could literally open an account and invest today, but stay with me till the end, because step number 4 is where almost everyone makes a costly mistake, and I'll show you how to avoid it. Hi, I'm Sarah, and welcome back to Coffee and Compound. Pour yourself a cup. This is the video I wish someone made for me when I was starting out. Let's get into it. Step 1. Pay yourself first before you invest a single dollar. Here's what nobody tells beginners. Before you invest, you need a small safety net, because if an emergency hits and your money is locked in investments, you'll be forced to sell at the worst possible time. So here's the rule. Keep one thing in mind before investing your $1,000. Do you have at least a small emergency fund? Even $500 to $1,000 set aside for surprises? If yes, you're ready. If no, split your money. Save half first, invest the other half. Never invest money you might need in the next 2 to 3 years. Investing is a long game. Once your safety net is ready, we move to the exciting part. Step 2, choose the right account. This is where most beginners get stuck. You don't just invest, you invest through an account. And choosing the right one can save you thousands in taxes. If you're in the United States, look into a Roth IRA. You invest money you've already paid taxes on, and it grows completely tax-free. In the UK, it's called a Stocks and Shares, ISA. In Canada, a TFSA. Same idea. Your money grows without being taxed. Open one of these before a regular account. It's free money you're leaving on the table if you don't. Most of these accounts take about 10 minutes to open online. You'll need your ID and your bank details. That's it. Step 3. Don't pick stocks. Pick an index fund instead. I know what you're thinking. Which company should I invest in? Apple? Tesla? Something that'll make me rich? Here's the truth that took me years to learn. Trying to pick winning stocks is gambling. Even the experts get it wrong most of the time. Instead, buy an index fund. Think of it like a basket that holds tiny pieces of the 500 biggest companies in America all at once. When you buy an S&P 500 index fund, you own a small slice of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, hundreds of companies in a single purchase. If one company fails, it barely affects you because you own hundreds of others. This is how most wealthy people quietly build their money. Slowly, boringly, consistently, and it works. Step 4, and this is the mistake I promised to warn you about. Once people invest, they check their account every single day. The market drops 2% and they panic. They sell. They lose money. Here's the mistake. Reacting emotionally to normal ups and downs. The market goes up and down constantly. That's normal. That's healthy. The people who build wealth do the opposite of their emotions. When everyone panics, they stay calm. When the market drops, they see a discount, not a disaster. So here's your rule. Once you invest, leave it alone. Don't check it daily. Set it and forget it. The biggest returns come from patience, not panic. Step 5, make it automatic. Here's the secret that separates people who dream about wealth from people who actually build it. Automation. Set up an automatic transfer, even $50 a month, straight into your index fund. You won't feel it. You won't have to think about it. And in 10, 20 years, you'll be shocked at how much it grew. Remember the woman from my last video? She invested small amounts early and ended up with more than someone who invested 3 times as much later. That's the power of starting now. Even small, even imperfect. So let's quickly recap your 5 steps. 1, build a small safety net. 2, open the right tax-free account.
This is
3,
what compound
buy
growth
an
looks
index
like.
fund, not individual stocks. 4, don't panic, stay patient. 5, automate it. That's it. That's how you invest your first $1,000. It's not complicated, it's just unfamiliar. And now it's not unfamiliar anymore. If this helped you, do me a small favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps other women find this channel. And subscribe, because next I'm breaking down the exact mistakes that keep most people broke. You don't want to miss it. Drop a comment and tell me, have you started investing yet? Or is this your first step? I read every single one. Thanks for spending your time with me today. Now go pour another cup and start building. I'll see you in the next one.